Hello, hello, friends. It's me, Char, your favorite color street nail stylist from San Antonio, Texas, and I am live. Oh my goodness. I haven't gone live in a while, but here I am, and I am excited to be with y'all live. If you are watching right now, drop me some little fish emoji or drop me like the little like coral emoji, something fun, oceany. Drop me like an ocean theme emoji if you're watching right now. And if you caught the replay, thanks so much for catching the replay. So hashtag replay in the comments for me. Thank you. I have some exciting things to share with y'all. But before I begin, let me apply some lipstick. If you follow me in my VIP page or on YouTube, you'll know my thing to do is to put on a Color Street lipstick before I start any little video. So here we go. All right. So I just applied Starlet. Starlet is a gorgeous, I believe a velvet, I'm sorry, Starlet is a matte finish lipstick. And she is a red blue, which means she has a blue undertone, which is great because this is a red shade that looks good on anyone, I promise you. The red lipstick shades that are red blue gives that undertone that really looks good on any skin tone. I love it. So my reasoning of coming live is show off my ColorPlay May subscription box. This subscription box is so fun, y'all. I usually show it off on YouTube, but you're getting me live today. And these subscription boxes are just $30 plus tax shipped to you with exclusive shades inside and a bonus item. So let's open up May's subscription box together. The theme for May was Electric Abyss. And it says, capture the glow from below with nails inspired by the deepest, darkest depths of the ocean. Ooh, sounds exciting, right? This literally feels like Christmas every month. I love it. And it's so affordable. I love all the manicures that come in the box. It's easy for me to pick out a mani and not have to really think like, oh, what am I going to wear on my nails next? Nope, that's what my subscription box is for. If y'all haven't subscribed to ColorPlay, do yourself a favor and just try it out 1 month. It's just $30 plus tax, and shipping is included in that price. Okay, y'all. So let me tell you a secret. I am filming today Char's Silver Star Studio. In other words, our chocolate trailer, because all of the children are awake and they're just having fun and playing. And I wanted to come on live with y'all without all of their ruckus in the background. So I'm out here in Char's Silver Star Studio trying to use these yank ass scissors. I like never use. I don't have these inside of the house. I only have them in here. But anyways, I finally got the box open. So let's check out what is in Electric Abyss. Are you ready? I know I am. I honestly might have seen a few spoilers, and so I know this box is going to be great. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. I love each color play box is going to give us this little brochure, which tells us all about the nail strips inside. And it tells us about our bonus item. And it gives us little pictures on how to wear the nail set. So really fun. This solution really comes in handy. I love it. Um, so first up in my May box is the bonus item, and it is cute. We got some hair clips this month. How cute are those? It says bonus item. Embrace your inner mermaid with iridescent hair clips as you glam up. Ooh, yes, I will embrace my inner mermaid. Thank you. These are beautiful. Oh my goodness, look how pretty those are. It's like pearlescent, opalescence. It matches my ring. I love it. I love that. So cute. Maybe I'll put it in right now. Oh, look at that. So cute. Okay, so that was our bonus item. I love the bonus item. Do y'all wear hair clips? This is such a cute little hair clip. Love it. And there's two of them. Okay, so let's meet our strips. And I'm going to put on my glasses for this so I can read this little pamphlet with y'all. Makes me make glasses. All right, so the first strip I came across was Glow Getter. Woo! This one, I believe, glows in the dark. No, does it glow? I'm trying to get it to glow for y'all, but I don't think I can. Anyways, this is Glow Getter. Let's read about Glow Getter. Glow Getter, it does glow in the dark. It says light up the darkest parts of the ocean with this glow in the dark shade. And it is a six finger set. There's two sheets, so there's 12 nails in all. Oh, I love glow in the dark nails. How about you? Normally we just like get them during Halloween. And sometimes last year we got them in July subscription box. So I'm really happy to have some glow in the dark nails. That's always fun, right? All right, next we have Starlit Sand. Oh, that one's pretty, 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 pretty. You want to see that? That's Starlit Sand. Woo, this is gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Starlit Sand is a gorgeous glitter. And it says, this one is another two sheets of six finger strips. It says it glows in black light. That is very cool. I'm excited to try that out. Get ready to sparkle with this blue and pink flashed white with oceanic glitter evoking surreal glowing shores. Ooh, I love it. Love that. That is a gorgeous glitter. You can definitely see the flash from blue to pink. So, so pretty. We have a lot of sets in this box, y'all. This is such an amazing box for just $30 plus tax. I love it. So my next set in here is Mysteries of the Deep. Ooh, that sounds so fun. So, mysterious. Mysteries of the Deep. Sounds mysterious. This one, again, we have another two sheets of six finger strips. So these aren't quite, like full nail sets. The nail sets on my site are 8 finger strips. These are 6 finger strips, but still, a great deal. And let me tell you a secret. There's still 3 more sets in here. So, this one, 2 sheets of 6 finger strips. It says, discover what lies beneath the surface with this dark teal blue coated and chunky copper glitter. This is a gorgeous set. Um, I'm honestly kind of getting fall vibes from this one. It has like that really deep teal and then like a coppery glitter on top. Do y'all see that? It's so pretty, but definitely giving me fall vibes with this set. But that is gorgeous. Let's see what else is in our box. So many sets this month. I'm excited, y'all. This one is called Underwater Mirage. Ooh, that is cool. I like that. Underwater Mirage. So this is a full set. So if you were to get a design set on my website, that's $14. Remember, our subscription box is just $30 plus tax. Shipping is included. It's such a fun little box. It's great if you love to do your nails at home. This is a really great deal. Or if you have like maybe summer's coming up, right? If you have younger teenage daughters that get bored during the summer, get them a subscription box and let them have some fun with their nails. Or maybe you know someone that's graduating high school. Again, a little subscription box is such a great gift. It's really fun, and they get to pamper their nail or pamper themselves and do their nails, right? So this one's Underwater Mirage. This multicolored and black deep sea illusion overlay turns your manicure into an underwater mirage. That's cool. I like that. It almost matches the front of the box almost. Kind of. A little bit. Right? That's really pretty. I like that. Okay, up next we have Luminescent Lavender. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, goodness gracious. Yes, yes, yes. She is pretty. I love a good purple nail. How about y'all? Are you a fan of purple nail polish? This wisteria jelly coated and dreamy flex mirrors the glow of a moon jelly. Oh, I like that. That is a beautiful set. I love it. And then, like, the glitter on it is gorgeous. Y'all see that? So pretty. All right, last set. That was a great box. I'm so happy I don't miss out on my ColorPlay boxes. I am going to introduce y'all to June's theme before we go. And before I show the last strip, I will say just really quickly, we always know the theme of the box, but we never know what's inside. So May's subscription box, it was Electric Abyss. And this was our graphic image to kind of get an idea of what might be in it. And as you can see, you know, we got that purple right here. We got the purple. We got like that kind of overlay look, right? In this set right here. So you could definitely see how the cover of the box gives us clues to the nails that are inside. But our last strip here is Changing Tides. Ooh, look at that feel, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious. I love it. I love it. I love it. I wore a very, very similar shade to this when Odin was born, and I loved it. So I'm very happy to see this in the box because it kind of reminds me of that set. And again, see how that kind of matches our box. So, Changing Tides. This one glows in black light too. How fun! This one you can do a front manicure with it, or you could turn it around and use the whole strip, whichever you choose. But it says top your tips with blue and green glitter dual-ended French tips that bring in a wave of glitzy light. And that is a gorgeous, gorgeous teal. I love it. Again, y'all, these sets are not sold on my website. They are only in the ColorPlay subscription box. So if y'all missed out on May, I am very sorry, but hopefully you won't miss out on June. And let me introduce you to June's ColorPlay subscription box theme. It is called Hot Tropics. Drop it like it's hot. Hot Tropics. That is beautiful. Those colors, the flower, so beautiful and summery. And let's see, it says Hot Tropics. Take a trip to the tropics and embrace the heat with sun-kissed skin in vivid colors. Ooh. I wonder if that's a clue to the bonus item. It says Sun Kissed Skin. Do y'all know Color Street has cheeky products? So we sell highlighter, we sell blush, and we sell bronzer. And some of my favorite products are the highlighter balm. We have a blush balm and a bronzer balm. So I'm wondering, and I could be wrong, but I'm wondering, it says Sun Kissed Skin right here. I'm wondering if we might get an exclusive highlighter in our June box. That'll be exciting. Highlighters on my site go for, I want to say $28. Don't quote me. But if say they're like 26 or $28, that's almost the price of the box. Like the box is only 30 bucks plus tax. So here I get my box in Texas for like $32 and some change. Again, shipping's included. We got all of these sets this month, y'all. Let's count them. One full set, two full sets, three full sets. If you get three full sets on my site, it's a buy three, get one free, and that's $40 right there, plus shipping, $5. So 45 bucks. And then we got these cute six-finger sets too. We got three of the six-finger sets. So what a great box May was with a cute little bonus item. I cannot wait to see what June is going to hold. Man, and let me tell you something. My printer was running out of ink. So these colors are even bolder than what they're showing up right here. But it looks like we might maybe have some like pinks, maybe some pretty greens and reds maybe. Who knows? You gotta subscribe to find out, right? Let me go ahead and put my link in the comments for y'all. So if you want to hop on my site and subscribe to ColorPlay today, you can. And while I'm doing this, drop me some yellow hearts in the comments. Yellow is my favorite color. Thank y'all so much for watching today. All right, so my link is in the comments if y'all want to subscribe for June Color Play. What's really awesome is if you subscribe today, you won't get charged until June 2nd. So our Color Play boxes, we always are charged on the 2nd of the month, and then they get shipped on the 6th of the month. You could cancel or skip months anytime you wish. And there y'all have it. There was May's box. I hope y'all loved it. I did. I loved May's box. Look at all of that, y'all. Oh my goodness. I can't even hold it all. Look at all of this. Plus our hair clips. Like, come on. Come on. Have a fun summer with me. Get yourself June's box and let's have some fun together in the sun. All right. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.